Now, in this session we will learn about computer virus. What is computer virus and how we can protect our system from computer virus. At glance, we will know about what are the types of virus, what are the examples of virus, what are the effects of virus and through which sources it enters to our system. What is malware? What are the symptoms of malware? What is email virus? How does it spread? What is ransom virus? And how we can protect our system from virus and which software we will use to protect our system. Now a big question is, what is virus? What are trojans, worms, malware, spyware? How we can handle these types of virus? First we have to know about what is computer virus. Computer virus is generally a small pieces of code or a software that attaches to our system through many sources. There are many sources through which it enters to our system. For example, some file transfers are written here, like email. Through emails it enters to our system, through file transfers, through instant messaging it enters to our system and install or corrupts or destroy our data. Basically, it executes when the software is run on a system. If the virus spread to other computers, those computers could continue to spread the virus. Means when I have a computer system and my computer contains a virus, when we copy data from this system, then it travels from one computer to another computer. Now what are the types of virus through which it hampers our system working? We can see first is file infecting or program virus. It is basically a virus that corrupts the executable files, .com files, .bin files, .drv files, .system files that are stored in a C drive when we install any operating system to our system, or when we execute or install a new software to our system, it enters and corrupts the entire data. Second is boot sector virus. It basically destroys the booting process and deletes the software related to booting. Means when we start a computer, the first step what computer does is the booting, and it generally corrupts that process and does not let the computer to start. Second is multi-party virus. It acts in both the part. It hampers the booting process and also corrupts the files. The fourth is stealth virus. Stealth virus is a native virus that hide themselves from the users and run at the background and steal the important information from the computer. Fifth is polymorphic virus. It is the most difficult virus to detect and it needs a antivirus program to delete that virus. Sixth is macrovirus. Macrovirus generally enters or it hampers the macros of the document, Excel or PowerPoint files and enters through that files and does not let that particular file to open or start. So these types of virus basically hampers the entire working of the system so that we cannot work on that particular system until we reinstall or we add or install or download an antivirus program in that system. Now there are many types of virus, as we can see: Jerusalem virus, Cascade, Form, Disk Killer, NTEXE, 1/2, and there are many types of virus and millions of virus are available online that can travel from one computer to another computer. That how does it affect the computer and how does it affect the computer system? Now we can see there are some points. It generally slow down the computer working. it corrupts the system files. It makes sure that the program files are corrupted. It damages the boot sector and does not boot or does not start the Windows process. It steals the important information from our system or of any person from the electronic device. It can also change the power rating so that the computer will blast. It affects the system failure. It basically accesses the sensitive information. It wastes the computer resources. It corrupts the data, and it also increases the maintenance cost of the system. Basically, we have to install or download a antivirus program in our system. Now, what are the sources of virus? There are many sources through which it travels to our system or from one system to another system. This is pen drive, floppy disk, CD or DVD. Pirated software means that software is not genuine and we have copied it from the genuine software and we are using it. But this is not the original version of the software. Through LAN, through networking, through email attachments that generally comes to our mail. There are many email that enters to our inbox or a spam box. We do not have to click that emails until we are sure about that email because that contain a virus. It also enters through internet sources or internet downloadable files that we download from the internet. Now, next topic is what is malware and how we can protect it from or protect our computer. Now, malware is a term that comes with a malicious software, means the software that is not beneficial for our purpose, that is made to hamper the working of the system. It is a software that infects and damages a computer system without the owner's knowledge or the permission. Basically, it enters the system without the owner knowledge or the person authorized to that particular system. Now, next is what are the types of malwares. There are many types of malware, that is ransomware, Trojan horse, remote access, worms, keylogger, virus and adwares, rootkit, spywares. These all categories come under the malware that generally corrupts or enters to our system and hampers the working of the system. Now, what is antivirus software? Basically, it acts like a medicine to our electronic device that basically deletes the virus from the system. Antivirus software specially designed to protect your or our PC from the malicious software. It is most commonly used to detect and block virus or malicious software which can be picked up while online. Now, there are many types of antivirus software like Kaspersky, AVG, Norton, ESET, McAfee and many more available, and we can use it and download it, or we can install and upgrade it so that we can protect our system completely. Now, next question is how to protect our computer from the virus. There are many ways to protect and prevent our system. We have to know, or we have a complete knowledge about what is virus, how we can protect it from the virus, what are the steps we can follow so that we can protect our system from the virus. We have to install an antivirus program, we have to install anti-spyware program, avoid suspicious website, means the website that are not genuine or that is fake or that indicates that this website contains a virus. We do not have to open that type of websites. Install a firewall, stay away from cracked software, keep operating system and all software updated, don't believe security alerts and do not open any type of email attachments. To protect the computer system from a virus, what we have to do, we have to use the genuine software. हम लोग को genuine software install करना है system में. We do not have to use the pirated software. वी हैव टू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द इलीगल सॉफ्टवेयर, मीन्स जो हम अपने फ्रेंड से ले लेते हैं या अपने दोस्त से ले लेते हैं, अपने रिलेटिव से ले लेते हैं और अपने सिस्टम में या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस में इंस्टॉल कर लेते हैं और उसे यूज़ करना चाहते हैं. बेसिकली द चिल्ड्रन और द पर्सन यूजेज अ गेम्स पर्पज. फॉर द गेम पर्पज वी जनरली टेक अ सॉफ्टवेयर फ्रॉम आवर फ्रेंड एंड इंस्टॉल इन आवर सिस्टम. दैट बेसिकली songs, videos, that basically contains a virus. We have to check the pen drive regular basis or update that particular device so that it completely deletes the virus from that device. We have to update the antivirus software and we have to be careful about the email attachments. Now this is the complete knowledge about the computer virus and how we can protect our system from the virus. Thank you.